Hi, welcome to this WordPress tutorial on how to create a website. Incredibly fast and easy, WordPress is excellent and very powerful, and today I'll walk you through just how to create a free website with WordPress. Awesome, so we'll be using Google Compute Engine. Okay, great, so just click on it. There's a 1-year free trial, so you could use it for free for 1 year. Enter in your Gmail account, and let's get going. So we're in the free trial, and click Create Project. Awesome. So I have 2 projects, but you probably don't. Okay, great. So I'm just going to name mine WordPress demo. You can name it whatever you want. Click create. And once it's done, click deploy a pre-built solution like I clicked just now and search for WordPress. So you can see there are many WordPress packages that Google Cloud has. We're just going to use the one by Bitnami because I find that to be pretty easy to get going with. So yeah, there are a ton of package contents and it's going to be pretty easy to use. So it's basically free on a month-to-month basis, maybe a few cents. This is a very important step. Remember to change it to micro. So to make sure that you use it for free, click deploy. So at this point, you're basically in business after the site's being deployed. After the site is done deploying, I mean. Okay, great. So just click on it. Awesome. Now you can see that your WordPress site is already ready to go. So it's at an IP address because it's free. If you want to have a custom domain name, I can set it up for you. But it's going to cost a bit of money to register the domain name. So great. So now click login. You're going to log in with the username and password credentials. Awesome. Great. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the Bitnami logo at the right bottom corner of the page, as you can see. And yeah, that's right. We're going to remove it. And we're going to remove it by going to Google Cloud Platform. Clicking on Compute Engine. Going to VM Instances. Okay. And clicking on SSH, as you can see. Right. Click on SSH. That's right. Okay, great. So once we're at the SSH file, we're going to paste in 2 commands. It'll be in the description below. So first one is to disable the banner. So second one is to restart the Apache engine. And once you refresh, yep, the logo should be gone. Great. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the plugins, delete all the plugins that are there. Click apply. Now all the plugins should be gone. Okay, great. So basically now you see the 2 weren't deleted because they were activated. We're going to deactivate them and go ahead and delete it right now. Okay, that's great. Fantastic. Now go back to themes. Now I'm going to change the theme once so that you can see how it looks. So now you can see the design of the WordPress website just changed, right? I mean, so for our tutorial, I'm going to recommend using Astra because that's how I like to build my sites. It's pretty easy. So we'll just search for Astra. It's a free theme, but it's very compatible with a page builder called Elementor that I'm going to use later. So we just install that. Okay, it's done. Now we're going to install Elementor, which is the page builder that makes building websites extremely fast and easy. Okay, great. So click install. And we should be in business at this point. Now we're going to install another plugin called Elementor Forms, which basically just integrates with the Elementor forms so that you can store the responses easily. Click activate. Okay, we'll go to the install plugins and we'll activate them both. Awesome. Okay, great. Next thing we're going to do, we'll go to the settings and we'll change the home page to a page. And now we'll go to all pages and we're going to trash the privacy policy page, edit the sample page, make it the main page, change the setting to Elementor full width, and there you go. So we're going to edit that with Elementor. And I'm going to delete everything and we're going to add a title, centralize it a bit, modify it a little bit, and we're going to change the text to WordPress demo because that's what this is. Update that. And now you can see on the front page, it should change. Now you can notice that every website needs a logo. So I'm going to go to this link. There'll be a link for it in the description below. So we're going to create a quick logo right now for our site. Okay, great. Awesome. So now go to your email address, download the logo, and we're going to go back to the theme customization page. Go to header, site identity, select the logo, select the file. Awesome. And now we'll just modify it a little bit. Okay, great. So now we're done. I mean, not really, but we've got our logo, we've got our header, we've got our theme, we've got our plugins installed. Now we just need to modify the header. So we're gonna have to install another plugin called Elementor Header and Footer. It's a free plugin. Again, all of this is free. Basically, then you can add a custom header. So what you gotta do is go to Appearance, Header, Footer, and Blocks, and add a new one. Add a new header, and basically edit with Elementor. And now we're gonna add a bunch of new little things. Okay, alright, great. Select our logo and add a navigation menu beside it. Awesome. Make some modifications, publish it, and it should be live. Oh, it's not. So I guess I gotta go to the type of template, modify it to display on the entire website, and now click update, and that should work. Alright, so basically the menu isn't there because we don't have any menus. So we're gonna go ahead and create one. So go to Appearance, Menus. Okay, just call it Main Menu, I think. Awesome. Okay, great. So create it. Add the sample page on it. And now we should have a menu. And it does, we do. So we're gonna change the name of sample page to homepage. Now you could just change it right there, but I'm gonna go to the pages. Go to all pages. And then we're gonna change the title to home. Okay, update, and the name should be changed. Now we're gonna remove the footer as well. Now there's several ways to do this, obviously, but before that, sorry, we're gonna change the site title to WordPress demo, and also to the tagline to site to demo WordPress, because that's what we just did. And basically now the users block will change to WordPress demo. Now we're gonna really remove the footer because it's kind of annoying. Yep. So we go to header, footer, and blocks. Basically, we just create a new footer, get it to display on the whole site. So we name it footer, and we don't have to add anything to it because I'm not going to create a footer for this particular tutorial, although you very well could, just like we did for the header. Edit with Elementor. I'm not going to add anything, so it's just going to disappear right there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to add some text to it. So I'm just going to drag in some text, but I'm going to modify the title a little bit first. Also, you notice that the background is grayish. I don't really like that. So I'm going to go to Customize, go to the homepage settings. Go to the global, go to colors, base colors, go to the background color, and change it all to white. Okay, so now it should change with the new text that I added. Now I'm going to add some text to this. Okay, I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Alright, we're going to make it a little bit bigger. Wow, that's too big. Okay. Awesome. So we're going to update that. Okay, great. So now we've got our sites created. I'm just going to show you how to load in a template so that if you don't want to... so you basically search for this plugin called Starter Templates. You install it. And now you go to Install Plugins. Click on Starter Templates, activate it. See Library. And click on Elementor. Choose anyone you like. We're just going to use this one, and I'm just going to import the homepage. So click import. Basically, they're going to install a plugin called WP Forms Lite. That's great. All right, great. I'm gonna make some edits, super speed. All right, great. Okay, just using the stock photography that they provide. And now I'm gonna change the homepage to use the new page that I created. Save the changes, and now when we go to our site at that IP address, yep, we basically got it going. So that's basically it. And I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If it was a bit too fast, if you have any questions, you can contact me via my website through the contact form below. If you've got any questions, you can also leave it in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer, to help with any queries that y'all might have. If you want me to build like a free site for you, I could totally get in touch. We could arrange a session for free to check it out. That's all I have for you today. Have a nice day.